10 life hacks for lazy people. Nail polish remover. Take 1, 2, 3, 4 sponges and stack them all up. Smush them together and stuff them into a tiny jar. Pour the nail polish remover in. Look at it. Now stick your finger in the jar. Bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. Voila! A clean finger. Close the jar up for the next use. Soapy sponge. Take a sponge. Cut a little slit in it with a knife. Grab a small bar of soap and stick it in the slit. Just add water and you've got an instant soapy sponge. Perfect for when you are rushing to do the dishes before your mom comes home. Liquid soap. Got cheese? Well, a cheese grater actually. Use it to shred up some soap. Lump the soap in a cute little pile and then put it all in a bowl. Add water. Bring it to a boil and stir. Pour the liquid into a decorative soap dispenser and you're good to go. Instameal. Lay all your ingredients out for easy access. Pour corn into the center bowl. Now peas. Now chives. Tomato paste goes next and oil. Mix it all up and add cheese. Microwave for 2 minutes. Sprinkle on some salt and pepper and it's ready to eat. Yum! Smart spoon. Yum! You brought some yogurt with you to eat. Oh man, you forgot a spoon. What are you going to do now? You can't just eat it with your fingers. We've got an idea. Fold the ends of the lid over until they touch in the center. Squeeze the lid in your fingers to make a spoon. Scoop away. So delicious. Give yourself a thumbs up for this great trick. Clean plate. Look how clean this plate is. Put some saran wrap on it before you eat. Serve yourself some food and eat up. Here's the fun part. Start peeling off the cling wrap. The plate is still clean. No more washing dishes. Cookie and milk. Are you going to pour your milk into a glass? No, don't do it. Get out a tray of cookies with some empty sleeves. Pour the milk directly into one of the sleeves. Enjoy the treat. Then throw the whole thing away. Blender wash. Delicious smoothie, not so delicious mess. Pour water in, then soap. Close the lid and blend it all up. Pour the water out and there you go. A clean blender. RC mop. Take the bottom of your mop and cover it with a cleaning pad. Attach the cleaning pad together with paper clips. One side, then the other. Looks great. Grab a remote control car and tape the mop to the front of it. Now, wherever the car goes, the mop goes. Instant cleaning without any work. Tablet stand. Take a hanger and bend it in the middle. Use pliers to turn both of the ends up and inwards. Set the new stand up and rest your tablet on it. Perfect! That's it for 10 life hacks for lazy people. Which one are you going to try first? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and until next time.